Hi students, good afternoon. Welcome to our class. Okay, in previous class we are already studied about different numbers, different type of numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, even or odd numbers. Okay, today we are going to study our first chapter, numbers. We are already learned the digit and place value. What is digit? Digit is a single symbol used to make numbers. Next, place value. Okay, please listen. Five, 586. The number is 586. 6 is which place? 6 is in one place. Here 6 is in one place. Okay, the place value of 6 is in one place. The place value of 6 is ones. Okay, here 500, the number 586, the place value of 6 is ones. The place of 6, the position of 6 is ones. The position of 6 is the ones. Next is the 8. Which place is 8? Eight is in the 10 place. Ones, 10. 8 is in the 10 place. So, tens place. So, the place value of 8 is tens. Place value of 8 is tens, that 80. The place value of 8 is 10, that's 80. Okay. Here, then note the position of 5. The position ones, tens and hundred position. Ones, tens and 100. The place value of the 5 is in 100 position. Hundreds. Hundreds position. Okay, place value of hundreds. Position of 8 in this number. The position of 8 in this number is tens. So, the place value of 10 is 80. The place value of 10 is 80. Is 8. The position of 8 is 10 place. So, the place value of 8 is in tens. Place value of 8 is 80. Okay, place value of 8 is tens position, that 80. Okay, next please listen the position of 5. Here the position of 5 in the 100 place. 100 ones, tens and 100 place. So, hundreds place. So, the place value of 5 is 500. Okay, place value 5 is 500. Okay, place value 6 is 6. Ones or 6? 6 ones. Okay, 6 ones. Okay, place value of 8. The 8 is 10 position. So, the place value of 8 is 80. Next, 5 is in the under position. The place value of 5 is 500. Okay. With the help of a chart, we move on our first chapter. Okay. Please listen this. We can get 10 strips on chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here we get the 10 ones. We get the 10 ones. The 10 ones make it 110. The 10 ones make it 110. Here these ones are joined together to form 110. Okay. The ones, 10 ones are make 110. These ones are joined together to form 110. Okay. Next one. 10 ones. 10 ones make 100 strips. 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens make 100. 100 strips. Okay. 10 ones makes 100 strips. Okay. Next one. Can you see? 1 rupees. This is the 1 rupees. 1 1. Okay. 1 ones. Okay. 1 ones. Okay. Please listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 ones makes 110. 10 ones. 1 ones make 110. Okay, 1 ones rupees make 110. Okay, these 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Please listen. Here 10 rupees in my hands. 10 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 rupees. 10 1 rupees make 10 1 rupees make 110. 10 rupees make 100 rupees. 10 rupees make 100 rupees. 10 rupees make 100 rupees. Okay. 1 rupees 1 1. 10 rupees make 110. 10 rupees make 100 rupees. 10 rupees make 100 rupees. Okay, students, please take your textbook. Take a textbook and page number. Listen the page number 50. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Here we can see two color strips. A blue color strip and a yellow color strip. One color strip have 100 strips. 100. One is the 100 strips. Here we can get two 100 strips. Okay. Here count 100, 200s. 100s and 200s. Here write the 200s. Next 10 strips. We get 10 strips on your textbook. Okay. 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10. 3 tens. 3 tens make 30. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. Here 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 6 ones. 200, 3 tens, 6 ones. The number formed is 236. 236. I got it? Yes. 200. 100 strip blue and another 100 strip yellow. 200s. 10 strip 1, 2, 3. 1 strip, 6 1 strips are there. Okay. The number formed is 236. Got it? Yes. Second one. How many 100 rupees are there? 1, 2, 3. 300s. 300s we write 300s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. Next coins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 coins. 6 ones. The number formed is 356. Okay. Okay. Listen your textbook page number 15, exercise number B. Okay. Write the numbers. Write the numbers. Okay. First one 200, 0 tens, 9 ones. Okay, 200, 0 tens, 9 ones. We get 209. 9 ones, 0 tens, 200. 209. Second one 100. 3 tens, 4 ones. Okay. We get the number 134. 4 ones, 3 tens, 100. 334. Okay, 334. Okay. Next one 700. 5 tens, 0 ones. We get the number 750. 750. Okay. Okay. 200, 0 tens, 9, 209. 100, 3 tens, 4 ones, 134. 134. 700, 5 10, 0 1, 750. Okay. 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 Next 3 problems. You should write on your notebook. Okay. Next problem. Please you should write on your notebook. Okay. Have you finished? Yes. Okay. Next exercise, exercise C. Next exercise, exercise C. Complete the series. We get the starting number and ending number. Please complete the in between the numbers. Okay. First one 301. 302. Okay, last 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 309. Okay, 309. Next number 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308. Okay. Okay. Next one is 401. Sorry, 405. Next 406, 407, 408, 409, 410, 411, 412, last ending number is 413, 411, 412, 413. Okay. Next 597. 598. Next one 599. Next number, yes, 600. Okay. Next one 601, 602, 603, ending 604. Okay. Ending number is 605. 601. Okay. 602, 603, 604, 605. Okay. Please write on your notebook. Have you finished? Okay, please next to try to complete the series. Next to problem, please you complete the series. Okay. 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 Next one, please listen your textbook. Here we can see two color boxes, red or yellow box, a blue box. Each box contain 100 strips. Each box contain 100 strips. Okay, 100 yellow, 100 blue, 100 yellow, 100 blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Okay, so we count these strips. Each box 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. 9 boxes are there. So, we count the 900. 900 boxes plus 100 boxes. We get the 1000. We get the 1000 boxes. Okay, we write 900 plus 100 gets 1000. 1000 means 1000. We write the 1000. 1000 means 1000. 1, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros are in 1000? 3 zeros. 1, tens, 100 and 1000. In the 1000 place we get the 1. So it read as 1000. So it read as 1000. Okay, 10 hundreds means 1000. Okay, 1000. 1000. Okay, we write 1000 here. We read it as 1000. Next one, how to get it? 900 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones plus 1. Please listen here. 900, 9 tens, 9 ones plus 1. We get 1000 is equal to 1000. 900, 9 ones, 9 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 9 tens, 9 ones plus 1. We get 1000 or 1000. Okay. Here, this is because 900 plus 9 tens plus 110. Okay, 9 plus 9, 1 plus 1, 9 tens. 9 ones plus 1, 9 tens, 1 tens. 9 ones plus 1 is equal to 1 tens. Okay, 900 plus 9 tens plus 1 10. 9 10 plus 1 tens, we get 100. Okay, 100. 9 tens plus 110, we get 100. So, 900 plus 100. 100 give 1000. 10,000. Sorry, 1000. Means 1000. 9 plus 1, 1000. 900 plus 100 gives the 1000. Okay. 900 plus 100 gives 1000 or 1000. Okay, got it? 900 plus 100. 900 plus 100, we get 1000. Okay, we get 100 or 1000. 10,000. 1000. Okay, 900 plus 100, we get the 1000 or 1000. Okay, 1000. 1000. Okay. Next one, 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number comes just after 999. 999 comes just after 999. 999. Okay. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Comes just after the 999. Here 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number. 999 is the largest 3-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Comes just after the 999. Okay. Greatest 4-digit number 999. Okay. 9999 is the largest or greatest. Largest or greatest. Greatest 4-digit number. 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Comes just before 10,000. Comes just before 10,000. Comes just before 10,000. How many zeros are in 10,000? 4 zeros. 10,000. Okay. 10,000. Okay. 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. Okay. Okay. So, we start from 1,000. Okay, we start from 1,000. One, zero, zero, zero. We read it as 1,000. Okay, 1,000. Here 1,000 plus 1,000. We get 2,000. 2,000. 2,000. Again 2,000 plus 1,000. We get 3,000. Next 4,000. 3,000 plus 1,000, 4,000. 4,000 plus 1,000, 5,000. Next 6,000. 7,000. 8,000. 9,000. 10,000. Okay, please read it. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Okay. Smallest 1,000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 10,000 is the greatest 5-digit number. Here today we studied about the 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers means 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit numbers means thousands. Okay. Students, please write on your notebook. Please note these thousands and write on your notebook. Okay. I hope all of you understood today's class. Okay. I wind up your class. Today's class is wind up. Take care. See you.